Alright, I'm out in the garage today. Hell, it's about 60 degrees out here. It's supposed to get 50 degrees outside. So I decided to make a run to the hobby shop and see if my Mustang came in, and it did. So I now have a Ford Mustang GT, a Tamiya kit. First Tamiya kit I've ever had. I've had all the, or a bunch of the AMTs, Revels, Mobius, MPC, but this is my first Tamiya kit. And I've followed a few threads on the forums on MCM about guys that had Tamiya kits that they were building, and pretty much they all made comments about how well these kits went together and the quality. So we're fixing to see right here. I took the plastic off about 5 minutes ago, so I'm going to see this for the first time just like you. Now I'm going to paint this one a Tamiya. This is their TS14 black, and I've never had much luck with black, but by God, I'm going to tell you what, I'm going to get me a good black one of these days, and I'm thinking this is going to be it right here. Alright, let's unbox this thing and see what we got here. Let's see just what everybody's raving about. Well, right off the bat, it looks like everything is packaged really nice individually. Boy, that body, that's a good looking body right there. Not a mark on it. Looks nice and crisp and clean. Well, I like that. That looks pretty good. Here's the 4 tires. Looks like some little bitty inserts right there maybe. I'm not sure what those are for, so I guess we'll find out. Those are some nice wide tires. They're not white lettered or anything, but they look pretty cool. Here's all the glass. Well, it looks nice and clean, and I don't see any scratches or anything broke, or looks pretty good. Yeah, I like that. Alright, here's a big bag of plastic. Boy, I'll tell you what, these parts look so nice. The even the white parts, I don't know if you can see it, they look like they've got clear gloss sprayed on them. They look so good. That looks pretty sharp. I really like this. Looks like a really quality kit. That looks pretty good right there. And here's some parts in black, like bumpers, and looks like the inner door panels here, and some of the fairings and things on there, fiberglass fairings. I don't see a bit of flash. I like that it has the wipers separate. That way I don't have to bare metal foil those. That looks really good. I really like that steering wheel. That's one of those custom wheels that has the flat bottom on it. Alright, that all looks pretty good. Here's a little separate package of chrome. Not sure. Looks like that might be for the front where the lights go maybe, or something. I'm not sure. Just a small separate bag. There looks like the rear view mirror. One left, one bag left, all black. Look at the size of those rims. They look nice. Boy, they look nice and deep. Good looking parts. There's the engine and tranny all together. There's the complete exhaust system. Looks pretty good. I really like this. Alright, let's see what we got in here for us paperwork. Not Not sure what this is, just telling you about the car, I guess, the history of the car. There it's showing you where all the decals go. Really need that. All right, here's another sheet. This, yep, this is an instruction sheet. There's quite a bit here. Looks really detailed. Every little thing. Everything's numbered. It looks really nice. Yeah, looks pretty good. Let's see what else we got. Not sure what this is. Looks like a stickers for something. Masking stickers. That must be from, I'm thinking the glass has black trim around it, so this is what you put on the glass and then you paint the rest. That's pretty cool. It saves you the trouble of masking it off yourself. There's something else in there. And here's the decal sheet. Well, that's pretty clever. Those masking stickers. That's what it says, masking stickers. Alright, a lot of paperwork in this box. Tech tips. I need all those I can get. I may read that later and see what they got to say. Gotta be something good. Alright, we got... Well, that's it. I thought that was another piece of paper, but that's just something in the box there. Talks about the kit. Information on the kit. That's about it. Well, the kit looks pretty good. The quality looks really good. I don't see a bit of flash on this. This is well, they must have some good molds, all I can say. But yeah, I really like those masking stickers that are going to go on here where you can paint. I bought some I think it's TS6 black matte, matte black paint. Now, that's probably what I'll do the windshield in, maybe in the back. I don't know, we'll see. Haven't got that far yet. Alright, everything looks really good. I'm really satisfied. Good looking quality kit. This kit, of course, now these kits, like I said, they cost you probably about 10-15 bucks more than your normal kit, but from the quality I've seen, you know, I think it's well worth it. You can't get these at Hobby Lobby, so I had to pay the money. Boy, I like those little wires in your support rods. But we'll see how it goes. This looks like a really good kit, though. All right. Looks like we're done here. That's it.